Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe here. You already know what time it is. You already know what time it is, man. I just wanted to hop on here, make a quick video for you guys. I know there's a lot of videos out there already on how to install Optifine. I just wanted to go ahead and make my quick video. So let's hop in right into this. So go ahead and click in the link in the description, guys. It's going to be the first one. It'll directly bring you exactly to the Optifine website. All you're going to do is once you're here, you're going to click on downloads, and then you can look at more. Show all versions. You can see all the earliest versions of Minecraft the Optifine. So let's just say, for example, you want to get, we'll just go with the newest edition. All right, so what I do is you can click this download button, but what I do, I just click the mirror button. I just think it's just quicker. It brings me directly to this little download. I just click it, and that's it. That's all. So once you actually have Optifine downloaded, next what you have to do is just drag it to your desktop, and that's it. Alright, so once your Optifine is actually on your desktop, what you're going to do now is simply double click it. And I do want to advise, before you do run this version, you do want to have the you want to run the original version first, like just the Minecraft 1.16.5 version. Run that, so then when you install it for this one, it already has that that version installed. So open your Optifine, and then all you have to do from here is make sure this is this. And all you have to do is click install, guys, and then it'll simply install it. Once it's done, it's done. You can close it out, you can delete it, and then you can simply open up your Minecraft, and you will see at the bottom left hand side of the corner, you will see it'll automatically be on Optifine. And if it says Optifine, you have successfully installed it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for some more. We're almost at 200 subscribers. I really do appreciate all the love and support you guys give the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios.